Welcome to our Midjourney Masterclass, where we'll explore how this revolutionary AI tool can help bring your film vision to life, regardless of the artistic style you're pursuing. Midjourney, with its current V7 model, represents a significant evolution in AI image generation, with notable improvements in image quality, detail, and prompt understanding. What makes special is its enhanced ability to interpret artistic concepts and create visually stunning images with remarkable consistency across styles. Explore the community gallery, where you can browse a stunning array of images crafted by fellow subscribers. You can explore the Midjourney Community Showcase for inspiration. This vast gallery contains millions of images searchable by keywords, styles, and themes. For example, searching cyberpunk street scene cinematic or watercolor forest animation will reveal diverse interpretations that might inspire your own creation. Pay special attention to prompts people use to achieve results that align with your film's aesthetic. Hovering over an image will give you handy shortcuts to reuse the image and prompt text in your own prompts. Find similar visuals or like the image. Use the likes view to see all your liked images. Create. The Create page is the heart of your image-making journey. It's where you bring your ideas to life and see your images generate in real time. Once your creations are complete, they'll be right there for you to admire and fine-tune. This page is packed with tools and features that make it simple to continue evolving your work and modifying your images. Edit. The Edit page is where you can access Midjourney's editor, your gateway to uploading and editing any image using Midjourney's advanced tools. Personalize. The Personalization page is your go-to place for creating custom image styles with personalized profiles and mood boards. You can manage multiple profiles, each capturing a unique style or mood to meet your creative goals. Organize. The Organize page is your hub for managing everything you create with Midjourney. You can search, filter, and sort your images to easily navigate and organize your work. Arrange your creations using folders or explore your images by date through the timeline bar. Bulk actions make it easy to manage multiple images at once, whether you're liking, hiding, or organizing them further. Chat or rooms. Rooms are interactive chat spaces where creativity meets community. Access rooms by clicking chat in the navigation menu, and you'll find various preset rooms for different activities. Join newbies, daily theme, prompt craft for sharing prompt tips, or help for getting your questions answered. Tasks. The Tasks page is where you can dive into activities that help tailor your personalization profiles and potentially earn some rewards. By participating in image rankings and surveys, you contribute valuable input, helping to shape community choices and future tools. Imagine bar. The Imagine bar is where you type your prompts. Hit the send button or press enter on your keyboard and your images will start generating. You'll find several helpful tools in the Imagine bar, one for adding images, another to change your default settings, and one to manage your personalization settings. Also in the Imagine bar is Draft Mode, which allows you to prototype images at half the GPU cost. Next to the Imagine bar is a search box where you can quickly search all the prompts in your creation history. Images panel. Click the image icon and you'll get instant access to your images panel. This is your go-to spot for uploading new images to Midjourney or picking from your uploads library to enhance your prompt. Hover over any image in your uploads library and you'll see 3 shortcut buttons pop up. Click the eye icon to run Describe, which suggests prompt text to match your image. Use the pencil icon to open your image in the editor. Press the trash can icon to delete an image from your uploads library. Drag your image into the Imagine bar and drop it into your desired section. Use the image as an image prompt, the default option. Use your image as a style reference to capture a specific look. Use your image as a character reference to maintain character consistency. Use the lock icon to secure your chosen images in the Imagine bar so you can quickly use them again in another prompt. Click the trash can icon to remove all images from the Imagine bar. When you click the settings icon, you can adjust the default settings that will automatically apply to all your prompts. Changing these parameters will add additional parameter values to the prompt. Aspect ratio, AR, determines image dimensions. We will use 16:9. Stylus parameter controls creative interpretation from 0 to 1000. Lower values, like 0, stay closer to your prompt, while higher values introduce more artistic flair. I usually use around 100 to 250 as it spices up images with additional details while maintaining prompt adherence. Weird parameter. Weird is a fun tool that spices up your images by adding a touch of the unusual or strange. When you use it, you're telling Midjourney to take some creative risks. Good to try in the beginning when searching for some interesting solutions. Chaos parameter influences how varied the 4 generated images are. High values will produce more unusual and unexpected results and compositions. Lower values have more reliable, repeatable results. Good for beginning exploration, will be less needed when you go for specific shots. Raw mode tones down the aesthetic styling and beautification that Midjourney automatically applies to your images when using standard mode, and instead relies more on the specific details and direction in your prompt. We will stick with raw mode to get more prompt adherence. Version. V specifies you're using the version, with 7 being current top version. We will stick with V7 as it has some powerful features we will talk about later. Note that if you want your short film to be an anime style, pick the Niji 6 model from the list as it was trained on Eastern and anime aesthetics and illustrative styles. Standard or draft mode for rapid ideation. You can also utilize voice tool in draft mode for hands-free creation. Speed. The speed at which the images generate. Relax. Generates at a slower, variable rate, but won't spend fast hours. Not available on the basic plan. Fast. The default speed. Generates at a moderate rate and spends fast hours. Turbo. Generates at a much faster rate, but spends twice as many fast hours. I will stay with relax mode. Personalization. A global personalization profile which tailors results to your aesthetic preferences. You will have to click through 200 images to choose your preference. I personally turn it off as every new project requires different aesthetics. Omni-reference parameter, OREF, special parameter for maintaining consistency. More on this shortly. Creation feed. The central feature of the Create page is the creation feed. Here, you can watch your images generate in real time and revisit all your finished creations. When you hover your mouse over any image in the feed, shortcut buttons pop up that let you quickly create either subtle or strong variations of that image. Think of variations as a tool that help you explore how several versions of your image might look, either by making major changes or just little tweaks, all without starting over from scratch. To the right of the images, you'll see the prompt text, parameters, and reference images that were used to generate your images. Hover over this section to access more shortcut buttons. With these, you can rerun the same prompt immediately, use the prompt text and images for a new creation, hide images from your feed with the option to unhide on your organized page, or explore more options. Play around, look around, try generating some images, and let's take a deep dive into Midjourney.